Magandang hapon po ng October 31, 2023 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng October 31, 2023 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, October 31, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for October 31, 2023, Tuesday. Here are the tonight's minimum jackpot prices. For Ultra Lotto 658, the jackpot price is 89 million pesos. For Super Lotto 649, the jackpot price is 89 million pesos. And for Lotto 642, the jackpot price is 89 million pesos. For Tuesday, October 31, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for October 31, 2023, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.